Figured I want to start a video series talking about how I built the spot and what's gone into it so far. Basically, I started with the idea of having this railroad track ledge, and that I wanted kind of a back and forth for that. So I started with just like a mound here that I knew would go into like a bowl or a mini ramp right here. But I started with this. I built that up with buckets and dirt, just shovels, digging this side out, building this up, and then I knew I could have a run in to the railroad track. So it turned into a lot more than that, obviously. The railroad track, when I cut it, so if you notice, the railroad track here is just like half of it, so there would be another plate here that attached to the ties. So this is just the top of the rail and the spine. So I cut the base off with a oxyacetylene torch. So as I was cutting the base off, instead of letting it cool and relax, I pretty much just cut the whole thing, and so it warped it slightly at a curve. So this part of the rail is pretty level until you get to about here, and then it curls down slightly, which is fine. Makes it a little more interesting. And you can see the concrete is not really level with the rail. It kind of slopes down. So that was the whole idea, was to get this area behind you to slope down into the mini. And it's turned out pretty well so far. Like, the way we initially did it was pretty insane. Had a aluminum metal roofing chute down this hill, and just had the concrete truck driver pour into that chute, and then poured it down, and we spread it all through here. But we got it done. There's not too many like bad spots. Through here is a little rough because it didn't get like a finish, kind of smooth over. Definitely learning about concrete as I go, and I'll talk about other aspects of the build later.